Dear students, today I am going to start with the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. Let's start with this. Integers. What are integers? Integers consist of natural numbers, whole numbers. That means natural numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all natural numbers. Starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called whole numbers. And when we combine the set of negative numbers and whole numbers, that is called integers. Integers are all the whole numbers and all of their opposites on the negative number line, including zeros. For example, 7, opposite of 7 is -7. As you see in this set, all the natural numbers are positive integers and the others are negative integers. So there are two types of integers. First is positive integers and second is negative integers. Important note, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Our next topic is absolute value of integer. Absolute value of an integer is the numerical value of an integer regardless of its sign. It is always denoted by the symbol, these two vertical lines, that is called parallel lines or two vertical lines. For example, the absolute value of integer is either 0 or positive. So as you can see in this example, -3 will be converted into +3. 8 minus 9 will be converted into 8 minus 9 is -1, and -1 when converted into absolute value, that is called 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 always remains 0. Also, the corresponding positive and negative integers have the same absolute value. Next topic is ordering of integers. Integers and whole numbers obey the same rule in their ordering when they are represented on a number line. That is, an integer represented to the right of any integer is greater than that integer and vice versa. As you can see in this example, 3 is greater than 2. 2 is greater than 1. -1 is greater than -2. -2 is greater than -3. So it is clear that for every positive integer to the right of 0, there is a negative integer to the left of 0, placed at the same distance from 0. 0 is greater than every negative integer. Yes, you have to remember that 0 is always greater than every negative integer and it is less than every positive integer. Next is every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. These are the important points of how to order an integer. Next is addition and subtraction of integers. When two integers having the same sign, either positive or negative, are added, we add their absolute values and assign a common sign to their sum. As you can see, plus 12, when added with plus 16, we get plus 28 or 28, because positive sign cannot be written. It's not compulsory to write the positive sign. -12 plus -16 is equal to -28. Second, while adding integers with different signs, we first find the difference of their absolute values and assign it the sign of the integer having greater absolute value. Plus 3. When added with -7, we get -4. -3. When added with plus 7, we get +4 or 4. Next is, while subtracting two integers, we change the integer to be subtracted into corresponding negative integer and then simply add the two integers. For example, when plus 7 is subtracted with -3, we get plus 7, minus minus will become plus 3, that means plus 10 or 10. -7 minus plus 3 that is plus minus, or minus plus, that is minus 10. Thank you. I hope you have understood this topic.